So what do you want now? We want to make, when we click here, we can increase a counter. So let's see how we will do this in the old way, so we can learn about the concept in the composable or declarative way. So let's see, we have this circle shape here. Let's go to then. Let's see this. Okay, perfect. So what we will do in the old way, and we'll learn about this. So we have this clickable here. We can create a variable. So let's say it's about the money, so money count, and this is start like a 0 count. Okay, so we have this variable, and here we can just say that money count plus 1. Okay, and here we can say money count, and we can say money count is, and here we pass our money count. Money this way. Okay, so what to doing here? We are taking this variable and we just incrementing the number every time you click in this card. So if you run this, we should be able to see these logs, and I can explain for you why this is not right when we're talking about compose. So let's pass this here and see what's happened. So give it a second, and while this is running, I will start something else here. Never mind, it's alright here, so let's just wait. Okay, RPs. So when I click here, we should see this money count going up. So I click, so money count is 1, money count is 2, 3, 4, so it's working fine. So if I put here or money count, technically we should see this same variable increment 2, but you see that's not the case, because that's not how compose works. So let's give it a try, and you can see that my count is increasing here, but in the UI it's not working, because you have to tell to composable functions when they should redraw themselves, so recompose themselves. And we can do this simply saying by remember, and we can create not a mutable state of. Yes, you can do that, but we can be more specific. We're dealing with numbers here, so you can just create a mutable int state of, so like that, and pass your initial value like a 0 as before. You can import sometimes here some remember and the catch of the set value here and the get value. So now what you're saying is that we have a variable, and the compose remember this mutable state of, so we make things like a stage, and whenever you are using this one, they know when the value is changed. So this text, you know that this value is changing and he is rendering himself, so this is recomposable. So let's just run, and you can see this is working right now. So if I click here, we should be able to see this counter like this, 1, 2, 3. Apply some zoom here, so you can see better, and you can see, oops, it's working fine. So this is the one of the most important concepts here that you should know about composable. So it is remember, and everything will going working for now on is with states. So this is the base of our app, and states is the base for every app in composable. So I think this is enough for now, and in the next video we'll see some important concepts that we should know. So see you soon.